Tahiyyat al-Masjid is only compulsory if you want to sit. Now, if you don't want to sit, that's something. But if there is something that should make you sit, then you have to sit. For example, Khutbah al-Jumu'ah. You came and you're not on wudu, and the khatib is there, let me stand up and listen to him. No. You make wudu, and even if you're making wudu, some people say, well, I'm making wudu, but I don't need to make Tahiyyat al-Masjid. Let me just stand up until the khatib is finished. No, don't hang out on the doors. Make yourself a place, pray to sunnah, while the khatib is doing it quickly, as he said to Sulaik, did you pray? He said, no, Messenger. So get up, pray 2 rak'ah, and make him fast. So Sulaik, he prayed 2 rak'ah, and he made him fast. So here, khatib was speaking to the person who is in the Jumu'ah. It's allowed. Khatib will say to the person, oh, you person, why are you touching the mobile? Remember that I said to you the story last week? Yeah? No? Did I say the story? Yeah. And he said, in a different world, he said. I'm in a different world. Allah got him. I can't laugh when he sees these words. I'm in a different world, ya Sheikh. So, Allah al-Musta'an. So, Khatib can speak to the person. Did he pray? Say, no, he did not pray. Get up. So it's also that those people who think that if you sit down, then Tahiyyat al-Masjid saqatat. That means you don't have to do it. No, it's not saqatat. You have to do it. Okay, so Tahiyyat al-Masjid. And the Prophet said to pray them light. That means Fatiha, that's it. If you want to read Surah Qul Huwallahu Ahad, for example, be quick, so in order to listen to the Khatib.